Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will tell you how you can make money through drop shipping. So in this video I will use the platform known as Shopify. It is the very popular platform through which you can make money using drop shipping. So what is drop shipping? Basically I will explain first of all what is drop shipping. So drop shipping is an online platform or an online service through which you can buy things and sell to your customers. In this business, you make your own website and attach it with big websites like Alibaba.com and other big shopping website like you can say that Alibaba.com and etc. Affiliate marketing, etc. Amazon, you can say Amazon, Alibaba.com, etc. etc. So you have to link these websites with your own website, and you have to uh, grab the product of that website on your own website, and then you can change the price of that product. For example, we we noticed that the product price is $50 on Alibaba.com, and on our website it is listed on $150. So here we listed it on by ourselves. So here is $100 profit and $50 investment. So this is known as drop shipping, and we deliver it using our Alibaba.com, etc. and big websites. So let's start it, and here we go, Shopify. So basically Shopify is used to create big websites like you can say that big websites for business, for drop shipping business. Find products to sell on Shopify with overload. Never worry about shopping, packaging, or holding inventory. Get started. How Overflow works? Overflow is helping thousands of people like you to find products to sell on Shopify. Find product. Overflow helps you find and add product directly into your Shopify store that you can start selling right away. Free of inventory, Overflow handles your products for you, so you will never have to worry about warehousing or keeping inventory in your home. Free of packaging. When you sell something, just order it on Overflow. You will never have to package or ship the products. Overflow will do this for you. In Overflow that easy? Yes, Overflow can do all of this for you because they are expert in drop shipping, which means they have a network of suppliers who will hold your inventory, package and ship the products for you. Olo helps ambitious entrepreneurs all over the world. 85 million products sold. If you are using Olo for the long run, then there's gonna be a point when eventually you are getting 50 or 100 orders a day. I'm a first-time shop owner, and I would not have been able to open store without this app. If you are processing high volume with your dropshipping store, you have to use Oberlo. It has made my life much easier. Okay, these are reviews from some of their users. And grow your business with Overflow. Hundreds of successful Shopify merchants run their stores with Overflow. Focus on your marketing. You will have more time to focus on marketing and building your business because you want to be shipping or packaging order. Extend your product catalog. Add more products to give your customers exactly what they want. If you are selling shoes, why not sell socks as well? Add multiple accounts. Overflow will grow with your business. Add multiple accounts. When you start building a team and hiring staff, build relationship with the suppliers. You will be able to communicate directly with suppliers to make sure you are giving customers the best experience possible. How to start a profitable dropshipping store? We take you step by step the process of setting with your e-commerce business and Shopify. So here is the video. You can click and watch this video and earn how to create a dropshipping business and how to create a dropshipping website. We are here help you along the way. We people have changed their lives by selling things they love. Whether you are just starting out or looking for new ways or grow, will help you start a profitable dropshipping business on Shopify. Take a peek at our free live webinars or comprehensive guides. We build a dropshipping store from scratch and made $9 to $20 in 3 days. Start your first e-commerce business in 1 week. And the ultimate guide to dropshipping, the first and only complete guide to dropshipping, covers everything from the basics to advanced techniques. Ready to get started? Overflow is completely free to use with Shopify. get started. So this was a short review of Shopify website. You can make dropshipping website using Shopify tool. It is very easiest. You can just drag, drop, and your website is ready. So we will meet in another video. Bye bye, take care.